Greetings, Lester Hughes here with the Credit Solution Group. I have some very, very exciting news to share with you realtors out there. I am a realtor, a licensed realtor on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and I can help you. Listen, are you tired of spending all of your money on Realtor.com leads? Are you tired of spending all of your money on Zillow leads? Well, today is your day, my friends. I can teach you. In fact, I'm going to coach you on how you can develop and establish unlimited leads through the Credit Solution Group. I can help you turn your denied clients into qualified buyers. And guess what? While you're expeditiously working your way to the closing table, I can show you how you can make residual income over and over and over again. My friends, what are you waiting for? Hook up with the Credit Solution Group.